Welcome student. In this lecture we are going to start a new lesson, that is the 12 months. It is one type of fairy tale uh, of English literature. So let us start. Once upon a time means the story uh, happened in fairy tales a long ago, in a far away country, far away, the in the village area, countryside area of the nation. Okay. There lived a mother who had two daughters. Mm, So there lived a mother who had two daughters. Once one was her own child and other was her stepdaughter. So the lady had a two child, that two childrens, that one is a stepdaughter and one of his own. She was very fond of her own daughter, but she hated her stepdaughter. It's She hated her stepdaughter, but loved her own child, and she did not love with that her stepdaughter. She hated her. The only reason was that the Marukla, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Helena. So the reason of hating is that Marukla, a stepdaughter, she is a very beautiful uh, than her own daughter. That is, her name is Helena. The gentle-hearted Murugla did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. So she was very innocent. She did not understand what is the reason that her stepmother hated her. She was very gentle kind. Murukla had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, sewing, etc. At that time, spinning also done at home. Uh, the her stepmother uh, gives a work, all the work of house, that is tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, weaving, sewing. So all the housework was given to do by Marukla, but she was fond of work. She did it all without any complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. So her own child, Helena, was spent a time in lazing, means sleeping and adorning herself before mirror. She spent a time. Even then, Helena and her mother scolded and rated and abused Marukla every day. So both mother and a uh, stepsister scolded to Marukla. They envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. So, due to hatreds with Murugla, they decided to throw her out of the house to whole night, because the day was of winter, so there was a snowfall outside the home. Go, Mirukla, and get me some violets from the forest. I want to wear them and to smell them, said Helena. So Helena said to Mirukla to get some violet flowers from the forest because she wanted to wear it and she wanted to smell it. But my dear sister, it is impossible to find violets in the snow, said poor Murukla. Murukla replied that it is impossible to get violets because the season was of winter and there was a snowfall everywhere. How dare you argue when I tell you to do something? Off you go at once, and if you don't bring me violet from the forest, I will kill you, said Helena threateningly. She Helena did not like the arguments of Marukla, so she threatens Marukla that if she did not bring violets from the forest, she will kill her. The stepmother caught hold on Murukla, turned her out of the door, and slammed it to after her. So stepmother caught hold on Murukla and threw out of the house. Murukla went into the forest, weeping bitterly. The snow lay deep, and she wasn't a human. There wasn't a human footprints to be seen. Murukla wandered about for a long time, tortured by hunger and trembling with a cold. So she was thrown out in the night. So she felt very bad and she started weeping bitterly. There was a snowfall lay deep, and there was no sign of any other persons in the forest. But Marukla wandered in the forest for a long time, and after a long walk, she felt hungry and increased cold, feeling cold. At last, she saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow, which comes from the top of the mountain. A big fire that burning there. So in the forest, after long walk, she saw some light torch are blown at the long distance on the top of the mountain. So a big fire was burning there. Around a fire there were 12 stones with the 12 men sitting on them. 3 of them had a snow white bird. 3 were not so old. 3 were still younger, and the 3 youngest were the handsomest of all of them all. So when Marukla reached at that place, she saw that there was a big fire in the middle, and there was 12 persons sitting on the stone around that fire. 3 of that persons were having a snow white bird, means they are old. 3 others do not so old, and 3 were still younger. So there were 12 persons sitting on the stone. Of them, there were 3 persons who are old, and the other 3 persons are not so old, and the next three persons are younger persons and looking handsome. They were not speaking, but all are sitting silently. These 12 men were the 12 months. The great these persons, 12 persons, are 12 months. Great January sat the highest of all. His hair and beard were as white as snow. So the January is the oldest person of them, and in his hand he held a magical stick, a magical stick. Murugla was frightened. She stood still for a time in a terror. So Murugla frightened, uh, and she stood with terror. But growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sir, let me warm my hands at your fire." So she gathered some courage and went to these 12 persons and requested them that she wanted she become very cold, so she wanted a warm of that fire. Great January nodded and asked her, uh, "Why have you come here, my dear little girl? What are you looking for?" So January gave permissions to be sit near the fire, and he asked her that why he come here, come into the jungle, uh, because she was a little girl, and they must avoid or keep aside from this little jungle. So he curiously asked Marukla that for what purpose she come into the forest and wandering here and there. "I am looking for violets," answered Marukla. Uh, this is a no time. This is a no time to be looking for violets. For everything is covered with snow, answered Great January. So the Great January give answers to this little girl that this is not a time of violets. So you are coming into the jungle at a wrong time. So students, we will stop here. We will continue with these lessons in the next lecture.